AdBlue for passenger cars. Why do new cars have AdBlue on board? New cars have to fulfill European emission legislation, which is called Euro 6. In Euro 6, there is a limited set to the maximum hazardous NO, nitrogen oxide emission, which is only reached by using AdBlue and a SAR catalyst technology. How do I know if my car has AdBlue? Simply take a look in your car's manual. If your car has a small cap, usually blue, which says AdBlue near your diesel filling cap, you can be certain your car is equipped with AdBlue. Sometimes this AdBlue filling point is located near the engine or in the boot of your car. How much AdBlue does my car use? It all depends on your driving style and what kind of car you drive. An SUV uses more than a small sedan, of course. The usage is related to diesel usage. On average, for Euro 6 cars, this will be 1 up to 3 liters for each 1,000 kilometers. How do I know when to fill up my AdBlue tank? Your car will give you a signal, light or message, when you can still drive 2,400 kilometers before your tank is empty. Depending on the make and model of your car, you will get messages at 1,800 kilometers, 900 kilometers, up to fill up now. The car will show a warning, well before the tank is empty, so you will not miss it. And if you drive on until the tank is empty, your car will limit performance and at the end, not start at all. How large is my AdBlue tank actually? Between 5 and 25 liters large, again depending on make and model. Do I only fill up during service intervals? No, because most Euro 6 cars will need a refill before the next service interval due to the limited tank capacity. Why does my car have such a small AdBlue tank? At first, the idea was to have a service-to-service interval for the AdBlue tank. But that would mean cars would need 20 or 50-liter tanks in some cases. Cars would become too heavy and therefore would become too expensive due to car tax regulations. These are based on the CO2 emission of cars, which is directly related to fuel consumption. And every kilo a car weighs is translated into more fuel consumption, thus more CO2, and possibly a higher purchase value, hence the small tanks. It is possible to ask your local car dealer to fill up your car in between service intervals, as you could also do with oil and windscreen washer. If I would like to do it myself, how can I best fill up the tank? You need a device that stops flowing when the tank is full and does not drip or spill when you stop refilling. AdBlue is corrosive. It crawls and produces rock-hard crystals when dried, so make sure you do not spill AdBlue in or on your car, as it can leave stains. If you spill AdBlue, make sure if possible to first wipe it with a paper cloth, and then rinse it off with plenty of water. Buy a GreenChem starter kit for passenger cars. This contains a 4-liter bottle of AdBlue and a special non-drip spout which also stops the flow when the tank is full. GreenChem efficient quality solutions for you, our customers.